super important to have a home inspection so that you know as a buyer everything that you're purchasing and buying into. So when you do a home inspection, and a good home inspector is going to take you around the home and show you all the goods and all the bads. They're going to teach you how to turn on and off in case of emergency a furnace or a boiler system. They're going to show you where the main switch off for the water coming into your house is, or talk to you about a well, how to actually handle it and take care of a well as you're living in the home. It's important to go through a home inspection so you know everything about the home. Sometimes they'll teach you about a roof. Maybe you only have a couple years left of life in the roof, and they'll tell you it's time to start budgeting if you're going to move forward with this house. Maybe the boiler system's older. They'll tell you to start budgeting for that. When you do a home inspection, you learn about the home, and that's supposed to be the point. It's not just to pick on the home and find all the faults. A good home inspector is showing you all the goods and bads. And then they're going to give you a list, basically a laundry list of items that maybe do need repairs or something to watch for in the future. And when that is in your hand, it's super important for your future when you move into the home. Maybe you don't have the funds to do this right now, but throughout the years, you can do little by little and take care of those items. I think it's definitely suggested that every buyer should do a home inspection and learn about the home. We're doing a lot of as-is right now, and even in an as-is situation, as long as there's no major structural issues, I say it's still good to do a home inspection, even if you're doing as-is and you want learning about the home. And if there's something majorly wrong, you still could go back to the seller, even in an as-is situation, and say, listen, Mr. and Mrs. Seller, I didn't know your roof was leaking. I can't move into a home with my heating system not working, or something to that effect. So it's still okay to go back and ask for things, even during an as-is situation, if it's something major. So I've been in the business about 28 years now, and I am a broker associate with Coldwell Banker Team Gabriel. We have a small team, but our team is made up of professionals. We have great agents that can help you. If I can't help, we always have other people that are filling in and helping each other. We have a really nice team camaraderie here. We have a full-time videographer, an IT specialist. We have a full-time assistant, a full-time transaction coordinator, and a full-time inside sales associate that's helping us with all of our leads that are coming in here. We're very experienced. I've lived here for 30 years in Connecticut. We also are licensed in Massachusetts as well. So we know the areas very well. We know this market inside and out. We know the houses, we know what pricing should be, and we know a lot of agents out there. So we have really good relationships with other people that we're working with and all of our co-brokes out there. So if you're looking for help, we're definitely the right team to come to. If you're thinking of listing, we go above and beyond when you list with us. We will make sure that you're going to win for success and get you asking price or even over asking price almost every time. And we'll make you more money. And that's basically what everybody's looking to do when you're listing. If you're a buyer, we're going to help you. We're going to know that exactly how to negotiate to get you the right price so that you're happy and you're comfortable with what your mortgage payment is. I think that's important, that people have comfort levels, what they're spending and every month. And I think that we listen to you very well, and we're here to help. We're coming from a helper perspective to make sure that you're happy.